Hello friends, welcome on my YouTube channel. So in this video, I am discussing with you how to create this type of web page using HTML and CSS. Okay, so in this web page, I have created the two section. Okay, in one section, I have added the name or the that we can also say it as an logo. Okay, the social icons, then on the right hand side I have created one navigation menu. Okay, and here some content with the button. We are going to create this page. If you are new on my YouTube channel, then please subscribe my YouTube channel, that is named as a Knowledge Place KP. Okay, so now we are going to start our video. Okay, so first of all I have created one folder. Okay, here this is my folder. In that I have already downloaded the font awesome 4.7.0. okay, for that all these icons. Okay, that I already downloaded this folder. Okay, so I am not using any type of images, so let just first we are start. Here I am creating one HTML file, so index.html. okay, and the second file, that is an style.css. okay, these two file that I have created in this particularly folder. So let's start to design our page. Okay, now it is visible. Okay, so first of all we are creating the HTML code. Okay, okay, name it as an space design. Okay, now here I am also adding the file, that is in style.css, my CSS file. And also I am adding the font awesome CSS file. Okay, so here I have copied font awesome.min.css file. Okay, let's just start our this section. So header tag. In header tag I have created the two division section. It is named as an architect row div.architect call. Okay, so now I am creating my logo. Okay, so first the name of that as in space, then I have added the far icons, far home icons. Okay, and after completing this particularly tag I have added the name it as a design. Okay, okay, in this section after completing this I have created one division section that is named as in social. Okay, that all the social icon that I have shown you. Okay, for Facebook as in square. Okay, then for Instagram, then there is an for LinkedIn icon. Okay, there is a square. And the for Twitter icon. Where is the Twitter? Okay, so this one section is completed. Okay, Now after completing this particularly section, here I am again creating the name that is same as an architect column. Okay, that is a no copy. So I have to let just div dot architect column class. Okay, so in this section I have created the new tag. So navigation menu. So ul greater than li into this is a shortcut greater than li into 5 and the reason greater than a. Okay, so our navigation is start. So here I am using first. Okay, so my first home, then there is an about. Okay, services, then portfolio, and last that is in contact. Okay, so after completing this navigation menu, after completing this ul, there is an another section div dot architect inner content. Okay, so here I have added reason space design. Okay, and there isn't some content, so I am added here the lurium content. Okay, after completing this, here I have added the button. Okay, so button class is equal to button, and there is an keyword as an explore that I will given. Okay, and there is an far angle right. Okay, so let just first show our content is done yet or not. Okay, so all this content are ready. Okay, let just style.css, our css file that we are going to redesign. Okay, so first of all I am setting for margin and padding should be 0. Okay, and also font family that is for whole content as an okay. So let's just start our first class that is an architect row. Okay, so dot class name, sorry, should be display in a inline flex manner. Okay, then align that all this content as in space between. Okay, then there is a architect column. So for this particularly class I am setting as in height as in 100 vh. Okay, and okay, so I have created the two sections. So on the two section, on the first section I am set it as a background color should be dark orange and another section should be white. So for this I am using the same class, but there is a difference in the nth child property. So nth child class is in 1n. Okay, so my background color is a dark orange. Okay, and width I'm setting as in 30%, and the color should be black. Okay, and for the same class and our second section, this is my first child and this is the next is the second child. So here I am giving the name it as in 2 and as in background color is white. Okay, the width should be 17%, and the color should be same for both the section as in black. Okay, so let just check. Okay, so our content is setted. Okay, our two section is created. Okay, now we are working on this particularly logo. Okay, so let the name it as an h1. So here dot architect call h1 as an padding should be 30 pixel from all the sides. Then font size should be 35 pixel. Okay, and the text transformation property should be uppercase. Okay, so let just okay, so see our logo, and our logo is designed now. Okay, so next we have our social icons. Let's move on the social icons. So let just name it as in our class name as an architect column. Okay, dot social, that I have set it social. Okay, so top 50%, margin top should be 100 pixel, and translate y property is a 50%. Okay, so check it first. Okay, so now we are working on each icon. So we give it as an I as in tag name, and also we are give the class name as in dot fa. Okay, so here I am only using the tag name. Okay, so width should be 13 pixel, margin top should be 5 pixel, padding that is an 10 pixel. Okay, font size should be 22 pixel, that I have already set. Extra line should be center. Font weight should be bold, so my icon should be bolder. Display is in blockwise. Okay, and background color is a weight. So let's just check it first. Okay, so our icon is setted. Okay, now we are only going to design the hover effect only. So dot architect column class name dot social I hover. So my background color should be white, color should be dark orange, and I'm giving the transition for that as an 0.5 second easy all. Okay. So now let's just check. Okay, so this could be same as in this page. Okay, now we are working on this our second section, that is our navigation menus and all. Okay, so first of all there is an class name that is should be same dot class name and new URL. Okay, so float should be right and background color is a dark orange. Okay, okay, so next dot control V all name UL li adding property should be 18 pixel from top and bottom and 17 pixel from left and right, and also I am displaying that content inline flex manner. So just check the style should be none, list style should be none. Okay, after completing this we have this particularly section with a anchor text. So font size should be 18 pixel, font weight should be bold, text decoration property should be none, letter spacing that I am giving is in 1 pixel, and the color should be dark. Okay, so this all is ready. There is same for this. Okay, so I have to close this first. Okay, so our content is ready. Now we have to set the hover effect for this particularly icon navigation menu. So the color should be white and transition that is the same that I am 5 second easy all. Okay, let's just say okay. So now we are working on our next section, that is in this particularly class, that is an architect content. So let just I'm copying this particularly class and pasting here. The padding property should be 20%, 0 and 15 pixel is in left. Okay, 20 pixel is in top, this is in right, 0 pixel, this is 0 pixel is the bottom, and 15 pixel is in left. Okay. Okay, so now our next part, that is in this H2. Okay, so copying this, and yeah, I'm going to be pasted over here. The font size should be 16 pixel. Font weight is in 600. Letter spacing should be 1 pixel. Okay, so let's check. Okay, now we have the P element, so copying this and pasting here, and I'm changing here only P, or the padding property that I'm using is in top and bottom should be 20 pixel and left and right should be 0. The font size should be 18 pixel and the font weight property should be 300, and then also I'm setting the line height property here, should it is in 13. Okay, it is in 25 pixel. 30 pixel is larger than. Okay, so let's just check it. Okay, I have to here the closest addition. Okay, so now we are going with our last, that is in our button. So let copying this first, and here I am only copying the button class. Okay, so width should be 215 pixel or 214 pixel, so I have set it to 15 pixel. Then padding setting I am as in 10 pixel from all the side, top, bottom, left and right. Border should be none. Okay, and border radius property should be 10 pixel. Font size should be 20 pixel and font weight as in bold. Extra line property is in center. Okay, and the background is a dark orange. Okay, so let's just check. Okay, now our next class. Okay, our next content, our tag is an I. Okay, so we are setting this property for this particularly icon, as in font size should be 20 pixel. Font weight is in bold. Padding as in 10 pixel, and I have setted the animation for that, so I have created here the animation keyframes, name it as an angle. Okay, sorry, at a 0%, I am setting the transform property, translate x as in -6 pixel, and at an 100%, I am setting transform property as in 6 pixel only. Okay, so now I am giving this animation on this particularly angle. Okay, so name as an animation name as an angle. Okay, 0.7 second using infinite. Okay, so that just our content is finished over here. So okay,